Alright guys, so continuation on this video. So I'll show you what here can go wrong. So first you want to use an ammeter and then go to continuity check, which is right here. Basically what this does is it's going to make a noise which will indicate that the connection between two elements is actually there. So for example, in this particular case, the two pieces that go bad are this one and this one. And as you can see, they're soldered together, and sometimes they go bad. So what you want to do is you want to touch one side, touch the other, hear the noise. So we have continuity on this particular pin, which means that the solder is good, the connection is good. Moving on to the next one, continuity is there, next one, continuity is there, next one. Good. All the pins are good. So in some cases you're gonna see that in particular these are the two pins that I kind of disconnect from shaking or from other reasons. So this is where you would want to solder them back and then put this piece back on, and you're gonna be all set and with a good repair and saving a ton of time and money, and that you don't have to actually take the entire turbo out. So the process of putting this piece back on is the reverse process. However though, the one thing you need to know is that you're no longer going to be able to put that one bottom pin on the bottom that easy. As you can see, it's right there. So you will have to kind of live without it and take the risk. So the way this goes back on, I mean, as you can see, this clamp here doesn't really, I mean, the connector is actually, as you can see, the connector is right here on the side. So I don't know, I've been driving without a bottom clamp for a while. Today I'll show you also how to remove the whole turbo and repair that. However though, as you can see, the connector is on this side, so what's important is that these two clamps are on, and the rest will probably, I mean, they've been doing a good job in my case. So okay, the other thing I want to show you quick here is that if you need to replace these elements inside, you can do this without removing this element from its spot, but I would actually recommend taking it completely off in that case if you need to remove these elements. So I'm going to show you how to do that next. So let's put this cover back on. So the placement of the cover is the exact reverse process. You just kind of push the pins down and you are good to go. Okay, I mean, you follow the idea. This is how you're gonna do the pins. You're gonna install the pins back onto the clamp. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you another trick, which is that if you need to replace the entire actuator valve, so this is this valve, without taking your entire turbo out, we'll take another video for that.